Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most advanced flagship phones of the year, the Honor Magic 8 Pro. This device brings a perfect blend of power, battery innovation and camera versatility, all wrapped in a premium design that feels as good as it performs. Starting with the display, the Magic 8 Pro features a stunning 6.71-inch LTPO OLED panel. It supports an adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and power efficiency, along with extremely high brightness that keeps the screen clear even under direct sunlight. The quad curved edges give it a futuristic and luxurious feel. Performance is driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing content, the Magic 8 Pro delivers fast, stable, and efficient performance. Honor's improved cooling system helps maintain consistent speed even during long sessions. The camera setup is one of the biggest highlights. It includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an impressive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto, capable of delivering long-range clarity with true optical zoom. On the front, the 50-megapixel selfie camera, supported by a depth sensor, ensures excellent portraits and video calls with natural color and sharp detail. Battery life is equally strong, thanks to a high-capacity cell with very fast wired and wireless charging options. You can power through a demanding day and quickly top up when needed. Additional flagship features include stereo speakers, an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, AI enhancements, and high IP durability ratings. Expected pricing lands around $800 in the US and €720 in Europe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.